on, can you please come? We have a big system. Every time everybody comes and say loud, Arrivo! Arrivo! So, Prabhu, we have. Oh, sorry. I skipped the step. And we all know we need a strong leader to run the community. Right? If we have strong leaders, then only we can have a better community. If we don't have strong leaders, the community will fall apart. So we have the mayor of the city here, Mr. Alex Nuttall. Alex, could you please make your way up?
Our mayor took out special time to come here from his busy schedule, busy day. Mayor, we know you're probably in your feet, so there's no problem. No stress at all. Don't feel it. So thank you, Mayor, for coming. We appreciate you sort of coming out here, giving the community your presence. I know the community is very grateful for your presence as well. So we'll let you introduce a few words and welcome you.
Thank you. Well, thank you for having me here today. And Lodge, how are you, sir? Nice to see you. I first of all thank you for allowing me to have my sandals on. I've gone through I almost lost my foot last year, and now I'm not allowed to walk without them. So I appreciate you making that for me. It was very welcoming. Thank you. I just wanted to say on behalf of the city of Barrie, first of all, Hare Krishna, I should have started. And I hope that everyone knows how welcome you are as a community here. And it used to be that, you're a community, now you're just part of the Barrie community. And that is a beautiful thing. And I wouldn't miss these events. Anytime I'm in town, I love to come out and support you at your celebrations, support you on religious holidays, and the times we're just getting together as a community. And I think it's important right now that the world, it feels like it's getting a lot bigger again. There's a lot of things that divide us as humanity. And I think we need to do everything we can to keep us as one. There's no difference between somebody who was like myself, born in England, or somebody who's born in another country or born in Canada. And there's no difference between any of us. And we need to make sure that we fight to keep it that way. And so thank you for showing our city, adding to our city. And if there's any way that we can continue to partner going forward, we will definitely do that. I also wanted to bring you, if I can pass it back to you 1 second. If I could bring an official on behalf of the City of Barrie certificate to ISKCON Barrie, and I offer my sincere congratulations to the organizers of the 4th Annual Festival of India. And we want to thank you for bringing the community together to celebrate unity, togetherness, and quality of time with family and friends. So thank you so much. Please.
Thank you. Thank you, Satya Prabhu. This cannot be possible without our sponsors. How many of you are international students here? We're just doing a little, international students. How many of you want to make Canada their home? How many of you think that, oh my God, PR nahi ho rahi, work permit nahi lag raha, samajh nahi aa raha kya kare? How many of you think like that? A lot of us, right? We have a solution. We have Gopal Prabhu. Again, how do we cheer him? Jai Jagannath! Jai Jagannath! Gopal, Gopal, Gopal!
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna!
said I am a proud sponsor, and I say I feel lucky to be a sponsor, and it's a proud for me. My name is Gopal Vashisht, and that's my company Shining Star Immigration. And someone was asking me why I want to be a sponsor in this function. Yeah. So first of all, मैं आपको बताऊंगा मैं क्यों बनाऊं sponsor. That I am basically a very selfish person. मैं बहुत स्वार्थी हूँ, मैं सब कुछ अपने लिए ही करता हूँ। जैसे हम सब लोग करते हैं, हम सारा दिन पैसे कमाते हैं, सारा दिन पैसे के पीछे भागते हैं ताकि हम अपना गुजारा कर सकें, अपने बच्चों का फ्यूचर सिक्योर कर सकें, घरों की मॉर्गेज भर सकें। तो ऐसे ही मैं भी ऐसा इंसान हूँ आपकी तरह, लेकिन मैं भगवान के लिए कभी टाइम निकाल नहीं पाता। तो मैं एक प्रभु जी थे, मैं उनका नाम भूल गया हूँ, मैं मोहित के घर ही मिला था उनसे। तो मैंने उनसे बोला कि प्रभु मैं सारा दिन पैसे के पीछे भाग रहा हूँ, मुझे भागना पड़ेगा, मैं ऐसी कंट्री में हूँ कि मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, मैं भगवान के साथ जुड़ूं। उन्होंने बोला कि आप अगर ये सारा दिन पूजा नहीं कर सकते, माला नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आप श्रमदान कर सकते हो, सेवा कर सकते हो, आप कंट्रीब्यूट फाइनेंशियली कर सकते हो, वो भी आपकी सेवा भगवान के उसमें जाएगी। प्लस आप अपने पेरेंट्स का रिस्पेक्ट करें, पेरेंट्स का ख्याल रखें, सोसाइटी में कभी किसी का बुरा ना करें, सबका भला सोचें। जैसे मेरे महाभारत का एक सीन याद आता है, और देखिए हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ जुड़े हैं, हमें जुड़ना भी चाहिए। हमारी फैमिली हमारी खुद की सबसे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होती है। जब द्रौपदी जी का चीरहरण हो रहा था, उनके 5 पति वहां बैठे थे, सारे गुरु बैठे थे, सारी फैमिली बैठी थी, कोई नहीं आया, सबकी मजबूरियां थी, सब फंसे पड़े थे। उन्होंने एक ही पर्सन को याद किया। किनको याद किया उन्होंने? कृष्णा। कृष्णा आए, उन्होंने उसकी लाज रखी सारे परिवार के सामने, सबके हाथ बंधे थे, उनके नहीं बंधे थे, और वह चाहते वो एक ही चक्कर से सबको खत्म कर सकते थे, लेकिन उन्होंने पांडवों को मौका दिया उस चीज को, उसका बदला लेने के लिए। और जब पांडवों ने भी जीत की, वो भी कृष्णा की हेल्प लगी। तो बिना कृष्णा के आप अपनी फैमिली को भी नहीं चला सकते। तो मेरा यही था कि मैं अपने डेली की रूटीन में से, अपनी मेहनत की कमाई में से अगर 1 रुपया भी लगा सकूं और अच्छे काम करूं, आई फील आई वुड बी अटैच्ड टू कृष्णा लिटिल बिट। सो दैट्स माय हम्बल सबमिशन, एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू। और सेकेंडली मैं थैंकफुल हूँ नैना फॉर इनकी टीम का, जो छोटे बच्चे कॉलेज के हैं, जो उनका बैरी यूथ क्लब है। लेट्स गिव अ बिग हैंड ऑफ अप्लॉज गाइस। ये सारा है। तो जय श्री कृष्णा एंड
जय जगन्नाथ। जय जगन्नाथ। थैंक यू गोपाल प्रभु। ओके, अब हमारा सेटल हो गया पीआर कैसे मिलेंगे। पीआर मिलने के बाद दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या होता है दिमाग में? घर कैसे खरीदे। निखिल प्रभु थोड़ी मदद कर दीजिए घर खरीदने में।
पहले ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना घर।
जय जगन्नाथ।
जय जगन्नाथ। सभी जोर से बोलेंगे जय जगन्नाथ। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच सभी का आने के लिए। एंड आई वुड से वी आर क्वाइट फॉर्चुनेट कि हम इस बड़े पावन दिन का सभी का आज हिस्सा बने। ये सभी को मौका नहीं मिलता है, बट वंस अगेन थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर गिविंग अस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रिप्रेजेंट द कम्युनिटी हियर। और मैं फिर भी एक बार गोपाल भाई ने बोला ही है कि इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट योर एफर्ट्स, विदाउट हमारे इन सभी बच्चों का जो बिहाइंड द सीन, बिहाइंड द कैमरा रहते हैं, जिनको ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है कुछ भी। इनकी बहुत मेहनत है, 1 साल से दिन रात लगे हुए हैं सभी, और इनके बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं था। और सभी को पता है कि जगन्नाथ यात्रा का क्या महत्व है। हम सभी तो पूरी नहीं जा सकते हैं, बट थैंक यू आप सभी का कि आप पूरी को यहाँ
जय। निखिल प्रभु, आपने स्पॉन्सर क्यों? Why did you think of sponsoring to this event?
यूजली हम स्पॉन्सर, ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है कि क्यों है, बट डेफिनेटली मेरा स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट है इसमें, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हमारे लिए ये जो हम अपने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को यहाँ देख पा रहे हैं, हाँ नो डाउट यहाँ पर और बहुत गैदरिंग्स और बहुत कीर्तन नहीं, बहुत डिफरेंट तरह के कम्युनिटी फंक्शन होते हैं, बट हमारे बच्चों के लिए मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू कनेक्ट देम विद अवर कल्चर। तो क्या हम कंफर्टेबल है टू ब्रिंग अवर किड्स एवरीवेयर? नॉट। यहाँ पर सभी बच्चे कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और सभी अभी भगवान जगन्नाथ के रथ को खींचेंगे भी। तो वो मिल पाना, ये इतना बड़ा आपको अवसर मिल पाना, स्वभाव मिल पाना पॉसिबल नहीं है कहीं पर भी, है ना। तो आज भगवान जगन्नाथ अपने भगवान बलभद्रा और सुभद्रा के साथ हम सभी उनको इन दिल्ली की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ पे अपने लेके जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है। और वंस अगेन मैं सभी का शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि एवरीबडी कम टुगेदर एज अ फैमिली हियर, सपोर्टेड एवरीवन, एवरीबडी सपोर्टेड अ लॉट हियर। तो और ऐसे ही आगे के लिए भी सभी आए, अच्छा लगता है सभी को देख के। इट्स अ कम्युनिटी फंक्शन। और वंस अगेन थैंक यू आप सभी का भी कि आप सभी ने इतना कंट्रीब्यूट करा, आपके सभी के बिना पॉसिबल नहीं।
Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
Wow, quite inspiring sponsors हमारे सारे। So अब घर ले लिया, right? अब next क्या? घर ढूंढ तो लिया, ले लिया, अब mortgage चाहिए। तो we'll invite Nishant Dayal Prabhu. Nishant Prabhu, please come on up.
Jai
Jai Jagannath.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Thank you for being here. It's an honor. मेरे लिए बहुत ही important और अच्छी बात है कि I've been able to get connected to this event. This is my first time, being here. So glad that I could be a part of this. I'm glad my mom is here the first time. So this is a great opportunity for everyone to connect and be a part of this great festival. I do mortgages. I'm not going to bore you with any of those details, but and I'm not going to delay in us getting to the Rath Yatra. But as I said, it's a great honor and opportunity for me to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nishant. Thank you so much. And of course, today for a change, Achal is not up here. But thank you, Achal, for supporting us always. She runs a dance school around. And a big Jai Jagannath for Achal as well. Hare Krishna. Okay. Thank you. तो अब mortgage भी मिल गई। अब क्या करें?
पता है सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे प्रॉब्लम किसमें आती है?
हाँ।
लैंडस्केपिंग करने में, मेरे घास काटने में, घर की मरम्मत करने में, तो उसके लिए कौन है हमारे पास?
Basement कौन बनवाएगा? Can we have our very wonderful Gagan Prabhu?
Gagan from GDS Landscape. Come on back.
Yeah, Gagan Prabhu from GDS Landscape. Jai Jagannath! There's a very less here. Trust me, if these guys are not here, we will not be here. So I need big smiles, man, and big clappings.
Thank you everyone, thank you for coming here. I'm Gagan from GDS Landscaping and General Contracting. Yes, बात सही है, अगर घर को कुछ हो गया, कुछ और ऐड करना है, कुछ नया करना है, तो you can definitely reach out to us. But today it's about Krishna and the spread that these wonderful people are doing it. I was not very much connected earlier, but after I met Mohit, I met his entire team, Nana Bhavi, everybody, it helped me to understand a concept, and it has really helped me to do good in many other spheres of life. So I'm always thankful to you guys. I've been working with Mohit as well during one of my projects, probably many of my projects, sorry. And it's really awesome to see how community grows, where we will start बहुत थोड़े से लोग थे, and बस जुड़ते जाते हैं. First time शायद I know उन्होंने बोला 900 different chariots pull के event हुए and all. मैंने एक भी नहीं देखा, so hopefully this is my first, and I'm sure there would be many like me and many like me who would join in future. Thank you so much for coming, and we really appreciate you. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. So that was amazing. Without हमारे sponsors के बिना, without their kind support, हम ऐसे events कभी नहीं कर सकते. So once again, thank you guys. Thank you for all the support you give us. One thing that I can attest in this community, I've been in this community for just over 2 years now. And whenever we pick up the phone, whenever we call any of our sponsors, they never say no. They're always there to help us. And from the bottom of our hearts, thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you give us. So beyond that, चलो ये सब हो गया, अब घर की मरम्मत भी हो गई, अब भूख तो लगेगी ना?
गगन प्रभु आप मंदिर बनाने में हेल्प करेंगे? जय!
देखो, they never say no. मंदिर बनाना, है ना माता जी? बेरी में मंदिर है?
बैरी में मंदिर है। कितने लोगों को पता है बैरी में मंदिर है? How many of you know there is a temple in Berry? Those who don't know, they are fading away somewhere. Because those who don't know, from last 5 years, we have a pop-up temple. From last 5 years, we're doing something called ISKCON Berry Mandir. I don't know how many of you have come there. If you don't know, because everybody knows now. How many of you know that Gurudwara is here? How do you all know that? From the social media pages, right? And then I must ask you guys to follow ISKCON Berry too, and please be a regular part of the pop-up temple. We meet once a week in the Collier Church on Saturdays. If you are around, please stop by.
Yes. And what about a permanent temple, Mataji? You're working on that too? Aega soon? Chalo, we all are praying to get a permanent temple here soon too. We have a lot of folks who are supporting us, so we are excited for that. We are working on that. We'll try our best to bring a permanent temple to the city as well. So, ye ho gaya. Thank you. Now,
we have our silent donors.
Yes, we have lots of silent donors here. So, ye hamare sponsors the. So, we have lots of silent donors. We have lots of partners. We don't need to name each and every one of you, but thank you all again.
You know who you are.
You know who you are, exactly. You know who you are. Our volunteer team, you guys have been terrific. You guys have supported us every day. We started at what, 4 a.m. this morning?
Yes.
We finished last night at about 10, 11 o'clock. This morning, 4 a.m., everyone was ready. Everyone was excited for the day. And we cannot wait to show you all what Rath Yatra looks like if it's your first time joining us. And if it's you guys joining us again, second time, third time, you guys will have even more fun today.
Kiski first Rath Yatra hai? Who is here for the very first time?
Oh, wow.
तो करना क्या है रथ यात्रा में?
Wow.
साइड में ऐसे जाके खड़े हो जाना नहीं?
There's lots of
What do we have to do?
service. Yes.
We have, okay, when you go, okay, for instance, how many of you have attended the Bharat in India? You have attended the weddings, right? We have danced for many peoples. So today we will dance for Krishna. Because what we are doing is, we are making Krishna go meet Radharani. Right? So it's a party, it's a dance, it's a Bharat of Krishna, so we all be dancing. I want to see who is the most happiest, because जो घर वाले होते हैं ना, those who belong to the yes. How many of you know somebody who inspires you? I have a few. Do you want to say? Okay. So we have our very loving Dev Prabhu and Hina Mataji. So the award
Our spiritual award of Berry this year.
Yes.
So
Today is
Dev
the
Prabhu, Hina
nomination
Mataji.
ceremony.
So what Dev Prabhu, Hina Mataji have been there for us for a very long time.
Yeah.
Through thick and thin, they have gone through their own ups and downs, and they have always still been there for us. They have unwavering faith in Lord Krishna. They are always there to support us, and despite everything that you guys have gone through your ups and downs, you guys still have supported us through thick and thin. So that's the reason why we wanted to honor Dev Prabhu and Hina Mataji with our Berry's this year's most spiritual couple award in Berry.
And this year, we are missing a very loving member of our community, Jasmine.
Our family.
She's one of our very dear most, and she was always there in the front making makhan and everything for ISKCON Berry. But today we are missing, but we are not going to let her miss this, because we're going to chant for her. We will chant one round. What we do, we're going to raise our hands up in the sky, and we will chant with the full heart. What will we say? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. One more time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Let the celebration begin. Can we have our मेरे